Hello, my name is David Stevens. I'm the Senior Global Technology Specialist for Universal Laser Systems. And today we're just going to show you a little bit about our product line here at the NBM show. First of all, we have several different models that we're showcasing here at the show. One of our systems here is our VOS 350 machine. This is a 12 by 24 desktop model system. It's a system we're currently running little GI tags with. GI tags with our one-touch laser photo software. This software allows us to take any image and engrave it onto different materials, logos, or photographs onto different materials. This model is very, very user-friendly when it comes to space saving. It varies from 10 watts to 50 watts and gives you a lot of control over what you want to do with the system with a space-saving type design. This is another system. This is our PLS 150D Super Speed machine. This is a system that supports dual lasers. It is 18 by 32 in field size, one of our more workhorses of the laser system, or workhorse system that we manufacture. Comes in systems wattages ranging from 10 watts up to 150 watts. Cutting table, air assist, lots of different options and accessories available on this model. It's a great system for diversity, low volume up to high production type high production volume laser system. This is one of our more popular systems, and it is a great system for diversity and allows you to expand and grow with your business, where one laser can be put in and then you can add a second laser over time and double your productivity on this system. As you can see here, this one is cutting in a 1/4 inch acrylic material, engraved, and then cutting dimensional letters for your sign industry. This is using 150 watts and air assist and a cutting table option to do such. This system, this is our VLS 460 machine. This is probably our most popular model when it comes to this NBM marketplace. 18 by 24 in field size. This is engraving the stalls, hand cut, heat transfer materials that is designed to be engraved away and then heat transferred onto apparels and materials. It is 18 by 24, currently is equipped with cutting table and air assist, and it is a workhorse, very, very small format, or nice size format, and gives you a lot of diversity within the marketplace. For more information, take a look at our website at www.ulsinc.com. Thank you.